Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for AWS Certified Developer Associate. You can download the complete list of AWS-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on Certified Developer Associate is: explain the concept of Amazon RDS, that is Relational Database Service. Your answer should be Amazon RDS is a fully managed relational database service provided by AWS, offering easy deployment, scaling, and management of popular relational database energies such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, and SQL Server in the cloud. Our next interview question is: what is AWS CloudFront? Your answer should be AWS CloudFront is a content delivery network CDN service provided by AWS, delivering content, applications, and APIs to users with low latency and high transfer speeds. It caches content at edge locations worldwide, reducing latency and improving performance. Our next interview question is: how can you automate infrastructure provisioning in AWS? Your answer should be infrastructure provisioning in AWS can be automated using AWS CloudFormation templates, which define the desired state of your infrastructure. CloudFormation allows you to provision and manage AWS resources in a repeatable and automated manner. Our next interview question is: what is AWS ECS Fargate? Your answer should be AWS ECS Fargate is a serverless compute engine for containers provided by AWS. It allows you to run containers without managing the underlying infrastructure, enabling easier deployment and scaling of containerized applications. Our next interview question is: explain the difference between Amazon RDS and Amazon DynamoDB. Your answer should be Amazon RDS is a managed relational database service that supports various database engines like MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, and SQL Server. DynamoDB, on the other hand, is a fully managed NoSQL database service provided by AWS. Our next interview question is: what is an AWS VPC, that is Virtual Private Cloud? Your answer should be AWS VPC is a virtual network dedicated to your AWS account, allowing you to launch AWS resources in a logically isolated section of the AWS cloud. It enables you to define your own IP address range, subnets, route tables, and network gateways. Our next interview question is: how does AWS Lambda handle concurrency? Your answer should be AWS Lambda scales automatically to accommodate the number of incoming requests. Each Lambda function execution is independent, and multiple invocations of the same function can occur simultaneously, with AWS managing the concurrency and scaling. Our next interview question is: explain the concept of AWS step functions. Your answer should be AWS step functions is a fully managed service that allows you to coordinate and orchestrate multiple AWS services into serverless workflows. It enables you to design and execute state machines that coordinate the components of distributed applications. If you are preparing for any AWS-based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.